What it is, YouTube? Back with another video and second car meet, y'all. Finna show y'all what's around. But yeah, man, some nice stuff came out tonight. It's just started, it literally just started. So more stuff gonna come out and come out to play. And y'all hear them coming in. So yeah, I'm finna flip the camera and show y'all the whips real quick. Sir. Alright, y'all, so y'all see. I don't know my flash on, with my flash on. This nasty beamer right here, this thing crazy. Man, slam. Pepsi. This thing coming in. Man, look at this Hemi right here. The swap was something. I got a custom intake on it, I know for a fact. Petty garage. I don't know my facts and stuff, but that mean a lot. It gotta mean a lot, but I don't know my car stuff like that, you know. But yeah, they're working on theirs. So me, Audi. Firewall right here. That nasty convertible. It's another one. These slam cars. The fan, y'all remember the fan? Okay, they go Blue Storm. Another Lexus. Amy over here. Other cars. Some GT over Hellcat over there. Benz. Yeah, more cars coming. You know, just regular cars coming out. But yeah. I follow this. Good little crowd. There's more people coming though. This is just the beginning for real. But yeah, there's gonna more people coming out. I'll be turning the camera on and off throughout the night. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know when I'm leaving and stuff. But yeah, man, there's a bunch of cars out here, and they steady still coming up. Like, here they go. It's gonna be a good turnout tonight. But like I was saying, it's a bunch of people pulling up, and it's still like really just getting started. It's a nice little Honda, and yeah, it's just getting started. Really, it's only been an hour since it just kicked off. It started off at 8, I believe, 8, and it's like 8:45, almost an hour. So, and right now it's a good turnout. Really good turnout. It's a bunch of people. And yeah, this is the biggest one I've been to so far, even though it's my second meet. Even though the first meet was pretty wicked, pretty wild. They were shooting flames and stuff. I don't think they're gonna do this out in the garage and stuff. Respect the environment. But I hear some of them coming in, you know, revving the engine, but that's like really it. Just for a little second. They're not doing it for a while. But yeah, oh, I didn't even see this in this car. I did not see this. Y'all know what them are. That is ridiculous. I did not see that inside the grill of that. That thing will move for sure. Y'all, it's a dog. It's a dog at the car meet, y'all. It's a girl, I believe. The biker boys. Did y'all hear that? But more cars pulled up over here. Mustang right here. Mustang. Mirror pulled up. Gotta love the 5th gens. Slumped. G35. They hard. This thing is loud. Sir. That thing clean and lean to the ground. It's that Mustang, also another Mustang. Girl. That Audi. They starting to play copyright music. Y'all, look at this. Look at them going out. They all CCT Meets. Parking lot pimps. It's a Hellcat, like I told y'all. It's a cat over there. Oh, there's carbon on that. Carbon fiber. Oh, they got the forged carbon at the top. Crazy. I didn't even see that when I went by the car. Behind the scenes. I was in the hill. But yeah, man. Still a lot more people I heard come in and come out. They was coming in and coming out and they didn't get it in time. So yeah. But yeah, they playing music and stuff. So I'm gonna have to knock the camera off. They play that. Alright guys, so I've been out here for a pretty good little bit. Everybody's starting to roll out, so you know what that means. Finna go ahead and take it in. But make sure y'all smash the button. Smash the like button. Please. Like, comment, subscribe. And again, another time. You probably can't hear me, but I'm gonna do this again next time I come. I wanna go to another meet like far off, but not yet. I haven't decided to go yet. Yeah, I'm gonna eventually do one going far off and stuff like that. But yeah, man, but make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we out, man.